I think all the chocolate chips sank to the bottom of the batter, so now we're getting down there. It's like we're getting some proper chocolatey pancakes.
So, it's date night tonight.
Yes.
And we're going to go out to the shops. We're going to get everything we need for lunch and dinner. We had quite a late brunch and it was quite filling. So lunch is going to be more of like a snack vibe, and it's going to be plant-based protein snack. So hopefully, I feel like a lot of you guys have asked us for snack ideas before. So yeah, we're going to do a little snack recipe for you.
But just before that, we are going to head to a local art gallery to have a little bit of a date day too. So we're just going to have a little look around the exhibitions, get the things that we need and come back and then cook. So since we had quite a late breakfast, we're just going to have some sort of snacky bits for lunch, but we don't want to skimp on the protein. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in some Pitta Chips, and we're going to have that with our avocado and edamame dip.
If you squeeze it like this.
So a new lemon hack. That is actually working.
Yeah, I saw someone do it on a video and I was like, that's such a good idea. Oh.
I guess that's more prone to happen.
And now I need to wash my hands. Love how crunchy and crispy the Pitta Chips go. So good. More. So we are homebodies at heart, and as much as we enjoy going out for dinner, we both really prefer like a date night at home. Like cooking, I like being in my...
Yeah, you got your softies on.
You know, so that is like ideal date night for us. Date night at home. I think to make it feel different from basically every other night, we try and think about ways we can make it a bit more special apart from the food. And one of them is just to like set the vibe, get some cozy things going on. A nice candle. Yeah, getting out the nice glassware, setting the table, just like not watching Netflix, you know,
Yeah.
like actually making an effort to like sit at the dining table.
I think it's essentially not just like sat watching TV, monging out, like doing it with an intention.
Yes, so there's like setting the vibes, which we're going to do now, and then the food, obviously that's the main thing. Still simple and easy like all the other days of the week, because we don't want to be spending hours in the kitchen, but we want it to feel a little bit special. So I feel like pasta is always the best kind of like date night food. And I think you can make very simple dishes like Italian recipes often have they're like big focus on vegetables, simple, kind of like few ingredients. So that's what we're doing tonight.
So we've got this really nice looking conchiglione that we bought around Christmas time that we haven't actually ever gotten around to cooking. So this is the perfect thing for us to make for our date night tonight. So yes, we've got the pasta and we're going to add into it this Beyond mince. We usually use the meatless farm co, so this is our first time using the Beyond meat stuff. We'll let you know how it goes. So good.
We're going to leave what we've done now on the hob and have our starter. So we're just going to put the lid on the pan and leave it until we're ready to cook our pasta. So this is our pasta water, which we saved before we drained the pasta.
The mince is like really convincing. There's like a meatiness to it.
It is Beyond meat.
Yeah, and the sauce is really like tangy and tomatoey and creamy. It's really good. Yeah.